Hey guys, little tutorial on wheel arch making. A few people have asked. There's obviously loads of different ways of doing it, but this is the way I found simple. There is some pictures uploaded on my Instagram and on my Facebook as well to show exactly how it was made. But here's a little idea on what I did when I make a template. So if you want arches like these, with all the flat faces on, then here's how you do it. So I'm just going to walk you across to the other side. What you'll see down here, I basically made a template. Drew a circle the size of the wheel that I wanted. So obviously this went round, give me about a 20mm gap all around the top of the tyre. And then what we did was we cut out obviously the sections so we can then move it inwards on the wheel. And what we did to do that was we actually made up some small blocks here. So these would sit on here like this. So I'm just getting a little bit closer so you can see. And then by screwing it in, this would pull up like that, so it would pull it away, so it would then sit, rather than sit outside the tyre, it would sit sort of level with the front of it. So we put a small pilot hole, we had some old centre caps, so we just drilled a hole in the front, right in the centre. We screwed the whole entire thing to the face, so when it sat in, the star piece was on the front like this, but then the ring actually sat in about the width of this, a bit more, so about 10mm more. And then obviously what we did was we laid up some fiberglass over the top onto our existing fender, right to the edge of this. What I would advise is cover this in masking tape, etc. if you want to reuse it. I mean, it's something that I'll probably use again, but it will come in handy for you. So cover it in masking tape, fiberglass up to the top, and then once it's fully cured, you can then physically remove the whole entire thing off, and you'll be left with a completely round circle, which is where your new arch face is going to be. So then what you need to do is the ring itself, we screwed it to this piece of wood, nice shiny surface, waxed it up, and then we actually made a mould of it. So obviously by making a mould of it there, it helped us make 4 arches for the vehicle. So it really is that simple. Laminating's not hard, just practice makes perfect. But like I say, obviously by doing it that way, you will then end up with 4 arches like this with a flat face on it. Like I say, when we laminated, we literally laminated an edge all the way up, and then obviously we made the ring after, screwed the ring in from the back, and then laminated it from behind as well. And that gives you a nice perfect circle. So hope that helps.